Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually download Instagram Reels using the built-in function from Instagram without using the third party, without the need of you copying the link, okay? Very few people know about this, guys. Let's launch the Instagram app. Now let's try to find something that we want to download. This video looks cool. I want to download this video. How I'm gonna go about it? I'm gonna scroll down and then I'm gonna click on the paper airplane over here, guys, under the video itself. Then as you can see over here, we can copy the link, we can share, we can add to our story, and then we can actually download the video on our device. This is how simple it is. There is a second option which I made plenty of videos before on my channel, where you can simply copy the link, paste it and download it from there. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.